Turn up on her salon.
She is doing the most.
OMG, what do she have on?
She Ratchet.
That lace front is all wrong.
She Ratchet.
Hold on. Gotta take this out the picture. Smile, bitch. Got it. Gotta put this thing on the script. Cause I don't have time for this. I'm too grown.
She Ratchet. What? Not with them shoes on.
Ooh, I can't. I just want to punch her in her face.
She Ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she's so fat. Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr.
What?
A baby boy, and it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, and I still hit the club in the middle of the club. No shoes.
What's up?
How do you feel today? I don't want to drink for a boost today.
My baby, that just made me here for here shoot today.
Wait, I know the rest. Did y'all stop it?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
I did.
Girl, here's my first song.
No, girl. Did you
No, I'm waiting.
Move, champ.
It's a big thing. I got my food stamp.
Got a brand new piston. A brand new tech. A brand new weed. 95 plus tax.
Yeah, but that thing go on straight.
No real hell this tank along. Thinking that you better than I am. What is you thinking of?
I'm with Team Flip Phone.
Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then the team shut it down.
I'm with Team Ratchet. Team with your man.
If he got a lot of money, then it seems he can. What is you
I mean, what? I mean, you might as well spin it on me, because you ain't looking like nothing. You ain't.
He say something about some lip print.
Thinking she look good with her everything. Oh, but she can get that.
I get it.
Oh, I get it. She in a jungle, so you want to look like that.
You gotta do the
Oh my God. Okay.
Y'all missed the part. It was supposed to be. Yeah, y'all supposed. You say jersey dress, match